Dear friends, today I will show you how I repaired broken radiator grille without buying new one. In my case I found broken part inside engine compartment, but I had an idea how to fix it if I did not find missing part. I will not cover all details on how to remove front bumper because focus of the video is on radiator grille repair. In upper right corner there is a short video about front bumper removal. The process is very straightforward and there is no need to repeat it. After removing all screws and front bumper from this position, we need to disconnect connectors for front sensors and fog lights. I will explain later how to disconnect radiator grille from front bumper. These steel wires are from old bike rim. This is very hard wire, excellent for reinforcing the plastic radiator grille. I have used plastic cable ties, hot glue and steel wire to reinforce all radiator grille. I think it is very fragile before and now it is much stronger and harder to break plastic. From the outside it's hard to notice the reinforcements that have been installed, and it is still nice looking. To install back radiator grille and to connect it to front bumper, we need to connect 7 plastic hooks. Connecting is much easier than disconnecting. There are 2 hooks on left side, 3 hooks on bottom, and 2 hooks on right side. It is much easier to connect than disconnecting. Connect fog lights connectors. Connect front sensors. Put front bumper in position carefully. There are plastic hooks for connecting bumper and front fender. Check that everything is in place before tightening all screws. I will not cover tightening screws because it is straightforward. Just to show you this screw that is hidden under plastic cover. This screw connects bumper and front fender. We have this screw on both sides. Thank you for watching.